My name is Jacqueline Nduma from NMB, Innovation and Development Team, specifically a unit known as Innovation Lab, where we are understanding, researching on emerging technologies and coming up with digital initiatives or solutions that aim at driving financial inclusion. So what does unboxing data for digital economy mean to me? It's basically digital access, giving digital access to the community, make sure that each citizen, each community member have access to financial solutions that drive financial inclusion. Second is digital participation, whereby each one in the ecosystem, the financial ecosystem, is involved, from the government, financial institutions, mobile operators, and the fintechs. And third is digital literacy, that everybody, every Tanzanian should be able to use the digital financial solutions that are given to them to ensure that they are included in the formal financial sector, to the fact that we know that majority of Tanzanians are not yet in the formal financial sector. So giving access, digital participation, as well as digital literacy, that for me it's driving a digital economy. And there, with all the three, data is a fuel to drive all the three. Since you have, once you have data, be it structured or unstructured, means that you can know who the customers are, what are their needs and their preferences, to be able to bring in personalized solutions that cater for them.